For starters, the forex market has three main trading sessions: Northern American, European, and Asian sessions. The New York and North America sessions are relatively more volatile than the Asian, Tokyo, and Sydney sessions. The Asian market tends to consolidate, creating a ranging market. One of the most profitable strategies is trading breakout from this range to catch the massive price movement during the London and New York sessions. This is where the XY Asian Session indicator comes in handy. It highlights the Asian session, enabling you to profit from range trading. The indicator is suitable for both experienced and beginner traders. You can also use the indicator to trade any currency pair. However, the indicator works best on the 1-hour time frame. This means it works best for day traders. XY Asian Session buy and sell signals. The indicator does not necessarily provide direct buy and sell signals. Instead, it points out the Asian sessions on the price chart. The indicator draws the session starting point boundary at 0 o'clock hours and the closing line at 7 o'clock hours. This makes it easy to identify the Asian session, monitor the price behaviors within the period, and strategize accordingly. Candlestick breakout strategy. This strategy involves opening an order after a candlestick closes outside the price range. For long positions, buy at the bullish candle close outside the range. For selling orders, wait for the bearish candle to form outside the range and open a trade at the close of the candle. The retouching method. This strategy involves waiting for the market to consolidate and break out. Then let the market come back to the ranging phase. To open a buy order, wait for the price to break out from the range to the upside, come back and retouch the range. Enter a long position when the market posts a buy bullish trade signal, for example a pin bar. The same case applied for sell trades. The Trading Sessions Indicator, XY, Trading Sessions, shows the most significant trading sessions for the forex market, such as London, New York, Tokyo, and Sydney. The sessions are presented as colored boxes on the chart, thereby clearly indicating open and close times of a particular session, as well as its trading range. What trading sessions does the indicator show? This session indicator shows the time of 4 main forex sessions. The operating hours of trading sessions are shown in the following table. MT4 Asian Session Range Indicator. Welcome to my blog, where I share my thoughts, ideas, and experiences on a variety of topics that I'm passionate about. From MT4 Asian Session Range Indicator, I enjoy exploring the world around me and sharing my perspectives with others. The Asian Session Range is an indicator that draws a box around the Asian Session Range, which runs from 20 to 0 p.m. to 02 to 00 a.m. It then provides lines that extend into the London and New York sessions that identify the high, low, and mid-range of the Asian session. The chart shows the price movement for Great Britain against the US dollar in a 1-hour time frame. The price consolidates, as shown by the red arrows. The green line shows the open and closing of the Asian session. The price leaves the Asian session's consolidation phase, goes up, and retouches the range. After retouching, the price proliferates to new highs. In this example, a trader who opened a long position after the retouches reaped massive profits. Each trading session lasts 9 hours. Based on this schedule, there are trading hours when sessions of some stock exchanges overlap: Tokyo and London, 1 hour; London and New York, 4 hours; Sydney and Tokyo, 7 hours. Features of the Trading Sessions Indicator. XY Trading Sessions is a simple and, at the same time, quite functional forex sessions indicator, developed for the MT4 or MT5 terminal. It is available to download for free. Compared to other popular indicators such as iSessions, for example, our Forex Market Sessions Indicator has a number of advantages on top of the past and current trading sessions. This Auto Session Indicator for MT4 and MT5 also shows time of the future sessions. Automatic Time Zone Detection. A simplified display mode for higher timeframes is implemented. The color scheme is set to maintain the balance between visibility and frequency of use. In other words, this Forex Sessions Indicator won't complicate your work with a chart, unlike any other similar indicators using vibrant color schemes. How is this Forex Market Session Indicator used? Traders normally